Hi everyone! So we're back with another unboxing. So this is like my newest Hermes purchase. So I requested for this item like maybe 2 months ago, and my SA said that they didn't have it then. So I just got a call yesterday, and she said it's available. So I pick it up, and here it is. So I want to show you guys what it is. But first, can you guess what's inside the box? Is it a bag, shoes, or something? But when you see the box, I think you'll know. Yeah. But before that, I think there's something else in my paper bag. So yeah, so my SA always gives me some sample perfumes. So for this one, she gave me 2, which is nice because I'm bringing it when I travel. Okay, so this one is the one that I got this weekend. So let's open it. Oops. Okay, so maybe from the size of the box, you know that it's, shoes, sandals. So let's see what's inside. Yay, it's an Oasis sandals in blank. I'm not sure if you can register the actual color in the screen. So yeah, because I had other colors already. I mean, my other Hermes sandals in gold and black and noir. So I wanted something like the other neutral color, which is blank. So yeah. So I got these. I'm so happy it has arrived. And that's my latest Hermes purchase. So this is like a very short unboxing because I know that you already know what it is. So this is an Hermes Oasis. So there's like a short heel. So I think it's still comfortable because it's just, not too high. And yeah. So I love this. So I have that in my Iran as well, same as in Santorini. So I know that it will be comfortable. So yeah, I'm so excited to use it. Maybe I'll just put like a sole protector because as per my SA, the sole is a bit slippery. So yeah, so I'll just put sole protector before using it. Yeah, so we're back with a new unboxing video, and this time this is for Mr. G. So let's see what is inside. Okay, so that's the box. And yeah, so this would be the first one. Basically it's sandals, and it's the Genius sandals. It's one of the newest sandals of Hermes. This one we have requested our SA to get for us a few months ago. They didn't have it in his size then, and now we got a call that they have it. So yeah, so Mr. G got it. And this is the sole, and this is in size, how do you know the size from here? Yeah, size 42. So that's what we requested for. So yeah, so that's new sandals of Mr. G. How do you like it? For me, I think I like it. I like it for him. And he loves it too, obviously. Yeah, so tell us what you think. And if you like these unboxing videos, let us know so we can create new ones for you guys. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you. Bye.